Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a song in Chrome Music Lab and how to upload your song into Google Classroom. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to open up our Google Classroom and go to our Chrome Music Lab assignment. You can either find it on the stream or you can go to classwork. To open up your assignment, you'll click on it and then you'll see that there is a link. You're going to click on that top link. The top link will bring you to the Chrome Music Lab. Okay, I'm going to do a quick tutorial of how to use the Chrome Music Lab SongMaker. So if you want to have different notes, you click on the boxes. Okay, those are the notes that will be played in your song. If you want to change the beat pattern, you can click on these little dots below. If you don't like the sound that the notes are making in this upper part, you can change what type of instrument is being used by clicking on this button. If you don't like the sound of the percussion or the beats that are on the bottom, you can click on this button here. If you want your song to go fast, you can click on this dial and you can move it to the right. That'll change your tempo to a fast tempo. If you want your song to play slowly, you can drag this to the left and the tempo will be slow. Your song needs to be at least 4 measures long. 4 measures is this whole area. This whole area will need to be filled in. If you want to make your song longer though, you can go to Settings and increase the length by hitting the plus button. Right now, your song would be in a major key, but if you want to change that, you can click on the scale that's being used. The major key is going to sound kind of happy. If you want your song to sound kind of Asian or Eastern, you can click on pentatonic. Or if you want to use all the different notes, you can click on chromatic. I'm going to go ahead and go to a song that I've already created. I won't play this song for you right now because it won't work on this recording that I'm doing, but I will share a link with you so you can listen to the song a little bit later. So in this song, you're going to notice a couple things. You're going to notice that I have a beat pattern in the bottom, and you're going to also notice that there is kind of a pattern to the notes that I used as well. Songs sound the best when there are patterns that are being used. If you fill in all of these boxes, which you should not do, it will not sound good. If you make random scribbles, it will also probably not sound very good. Okay. Your job is to use patterns and to use beat patterns to have a nice 4 or more bar song. When you're happy with the song that you've made, you can go to Save, and then you'll copy the link. So you click Copy Link. Now, to get that link into Google Classroom, you'll go back to your Google Classroom. You'll click on View Assignment. You'll click on Add or Create. And now you'll click on Link. You just copied that link from Chrome Music Lab, and this will help you share the link. To share the link, what you're going to do is you will click the CTRL, which is the control key, on the lower left-hand side of your keyboard. And then while you're holding the control key down, you'll press the V. V is in Victor key, and that will paste the link. Now you'll click on Add Link, and you'll click in Turn In. Click that Turn In one more time. And just like that, your song is submitted. If you want to listen to the song that I created, you can click on the link on the directions for the assignment, and that'll be the whole song that I showed you earlier. I look forward to listening to the songs that you post. Happy composing!